A colossal, Godzilla-like cat is wreaking havoc across the crypto landscape. And it's not just a fantasy, it's Catzilla. Shiba Inu investors are buzzing with excitement as they turn their eyes toward this promising Solana-based coin. Catzilla is not just another meme coin. It's a rebellion against the greed and manipulation in the crypto world. Inspired by the success of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Catzilla aims to disrupt the market with its unique narrative and massive growth potential. With predictions of a 700% ROI, Catzilla is positioning itself as the next big thing in crypto. Through a unique pre-sale process over 14 stages, investors have the chance to enter early and maximize their returns. Catzilla offers triple value, epic gameplay, a shared mission, and a dynamic community, combining fun with financial freedom. This isn't just a cute mascot, it's a powerful symbol of rebellion and a new era for meme coins. The Catzilla movement is gaining momentum fast, and now could be the time to join the feline frenzy. Claim a share of the Catzilla movement today and be part of the next big thing in crypto.